So there's different amount of pressure you can put on your calf. If you want to put pressure on your soleus or your calf shock, you can press just rolling back and forth. To make it harder, you can lift your hips up off the ground. And to make it even harder, you can cross your legs and push down as you roll. So you have bones and you have muscles, and sometimes people have pain in the inside of their shin, and they ask about rolling their shin. Please don't foam roll a bone. You're not going to get much out of it. Instead, roll just behind the bone so that you can put pressure on the inside of the bone, on the inside of the tibia, to press through into the muscle. Again, the more load you put in, the harder it is. If you want to roll your hamstring, start just above the knee and roll gently all the way up to the base of the muscle. So sometimes people have pain when they foam roll with just one side. If you add an additional foam roller, you can spread out the load and make foam rolling your quad less painful.